Kulis Bune Pi Baro season 4 mentang nomor IP advertisement kepada berkipus JRF ban MTS kibala japo Nihu Shillong. Application are invite for engagement of junior research fellow and multitasking staff MTS under the Department of Health Research DHR, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India funded research project entitled. Kilakot application mentaginu kinu ki kandidat ki palong eligible habai dia berkini ki post balaj artli jongka junior research fellow berkumjuru jongka multitasking staff kepala japo jongka Department of Health and Research, Ministry of Health ban Family Welfare. Baram ta ka duration nam ta jongka ni ka project kan dai bitang po jongka license nam ta kalas dit jongka application fee pat kadai ka arsa tarik jong banai pasan arjar apun riu berkadit of interview wat intensive kan dai kan arp kan dai tarik banai pasan arjar apun riu kemudian mendang kam ka exam kemudian bapi hap shuban lej bet direct po jongka interview hakan ka arp kan tarik jong banai pasan arjar apun riu berka department berka venue ke penlong kan ka interview ke depo jongka Department of Biomedical Engineering School and Technology Nihu Shillong Meklia RR. Kakereng jongka post beningkong bal omanai ka Junior Research Fellow JRF kajeng siu kalau ikan debe japo jongka lai punyo hajar malau benai bat kinembar jongki post kalai tang iwe ka duration part. Project staff will be engaged initially for a period of 1 year and extended only till the duration of the project. Kembakan David ke project staff kemut bakin penbiang baik tengah pojong kasih senem kemut hadin jong katai ladaki haban extend ru kin sa extend hadu benakut jong kanika project baranta jong ka essential education qualification kemut ba kitu ki balapas ya ka ME bat ke MTech in BME IT CSE ECE or MCA or MSc in computer science electronic by a process described through any one of the following. Kebaningkong dari scholar who are selected through national eligibility test CSIR, UGC NET and GATE. Kebaarpan the selection process through national level examination conducted by central government department and their agencies and institutes such as DST, DBT, DAE, DOS, DRDO, MOE, ICAR, ICMR, IIT, IISC, IISER, NISER, etc. Kemudian itu kita ada pas kini kemudian pila aban apply dalam tajung kini post junior research fellow. Empat nak tajung ka multitasking staff pan ketulop lanika salary kan David kerap perajar malu benai di post kelateng iwe duration ru kalong kumjohi nataka ibala dan kam ya ka education qualification kibala pas ka graduate and diploma in any stream. Kumno bapin apply kini ki candidate subahan sasabahan an patai interested candidate should email their CV, biodata, photocopies of certificate, mark sheet and evidence of any other academic credential to gajendra@nihu@gmail.com. They should also fill the required Google form for the respective post. Itu kibako apply kani kemudian pihaban page bah dan sabu ikini kiling bapin apply hapo jongka description box jonga sampai ket kumki post wise mo pe jongka junior laka jong jongka multitasking staff laka jong sampai bah sakli kita kiling ket kumba piko aban apply mapi lada pilong eligible ka debat ka qualification ki candidate ki haban submit ru ya ka CV ka biodata ka jong pi nangta photocopy samta jongka mark sheet ta ka certificate berkum juru ka evidence habai debat kinu ka bapi na po ki academic credential ki jong pi pihak beruban pendap ya kanika Google form dan sabu po ko website kemala ong pi mane sa check ker kumjunghi post wife kini artali GRF bat kumjuru ka multitasking staff. No TADA will be paid for attending the interview. Kebar candidate have to produce the original certificate mark sheet of their education qualification and other claim at the time of interview. Kemudian pihak penbiang baik jaki original dokumen ki jong pi pihak panra akapor bapilai po jong kanika interview akatai ketarik. The decision of the selection committee will be final. Ka decision kin page BJP hak udu ka final kin sa check hina po office ki kino ki balong eligible bari kino ki balong shortlist ka bayde bat kini ki post. Ka bayde bat kini ki post atali bot kamud ba kan long baitang ki temporary mo kumaong mane maximum kan day baitang po jong kalai snem minimum kan day bait sisnem. Kamud ba hadin balakot jong kanika project kamud ba kakam ko pitre hang niru umju kalakot kamut kadai petang abolai snem tetang kini di pentip nganuan rai pi manta subaban like ban share ban subscribe ru ika channel ka jonga nak por chakapor tublai subon.
Yeah.